Today we are going to discuss about the logarithmic functions. So one of the important topic. This topic is very important, and so one question probably of 5 marks question is always there in the question paper. So therefore you must practice this one, and so you have to practice more and give stress more on this topic. So logarithmic functions. So entirely this one is a new concept here. So observe. So first we have to discuss what is logarithmic function. So observe here, if A is any positive real number, A is any positive real number other than 1, because 1 raised to anything is 1. So therefore consider, so value of A is other than 1, so that is A must be greater than 0 and A not equal to 1, so that is 1 plus. So here A must be greater than 0, that is positive, and other than 1, A should not equal to 1, such that y equal to A raised to x, so that is y equal to 2 raised to x, y equal to 4 raised to x, or y equal to r plus raised to x, so this one is greater than 1. Then x is called, so here the exponent x, power exponent of A, so that is x is known as the, or this implies x equal to logarithmic of y to the base A, that is x equal to, that is if y equal to A raised to x, so this implies x equal to, here it is x equal to log y to the base A. A means here base, adhara sankhya. So x is index or power, so that is ghatanka. Yes, x is equal to log y to the base A. Similarly, y equal to 2 raised to x. So if you find the value of x, so this implies x equal to log of y, so base is here 2, log of y to the base 2. So similarly, y equal to 28 raised to x. If we express this in terms of x, so now it is in the exponent form. So what I am writing here, 2 raised to x, 4 raised to x, a raised to x, all these are in exponent form. Exponent to logarithmic conversion, that is y equal to 28 raised to x is, now it is in the exponent form, so in logarithmic form, so this implies x equal to log of 28, log of y to the base 28, base is 28. So observe, so first try to read this one, log m to the base n, log m to the base n, log k to the base x, log j to the base n. So like that, first try it. So first read along with this one. So while observing, so mentally you have to read this one. So that is a logarithmic. So log m to the base n, log m to the base n, yes, log a to the base b, log b to the base a, like that you have to pronounce it, read like this. Yes, so here definition, so you have to remember this one, so no definition will be asked for exam. So therefore, if a is any positive real number, so here base is always greater than 1, always greater than 1, then x is called logarithm of y to the base a. We can express this exponents into logarithmic form in this way. Yes. So observe the nature of the logarithmic function. Observe this one. We cannot make a meaningful definition of logarithm of non-positive numbers, and hence the domain of log function is always R plus. So observe here, domain of log function is R plus. So therefore, that is the domain, that is input value for the function x is always positive real number. So that is input domain means, so it is the input value of the x, input value of the function. So the values which substitute for independent variable. So therefore, the input values for log function is always a positive real number. So next one, the range of the function is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Observe here. So for any value of x, for input value of x, the answer y is a set of real number. It may be r plus or it may be r minus. So any real number is the range of the function, log function. And next one is the point 1 comma 0 always lie on the graph. So observe this point. So this is 1 comma 0. So this point is always lie on the graph. So this point is, so for any value of any logarithmic function 1 comma 0 always lie on the graph. So just remember all those things. So all these points are for CET and other purpose. You have to remember these notations. The log function is ever increasing. So the log function as the exponent. So the log function is always increasing as you go from left to right. For every value, the function is increasing. So observe here, from left to right means from as we move from this side, the function is always increasing. So therefore, log is increasing function. Log is increasing function. Point 1 comma 0 always lie on the graph. Always lie on the graph. And the domain of the function is positive real number. Range is so set of real number. So domain is R plus, range is R, and always increasing function. Increasing function. So as we move from left to right, left to right, the function is increasing. And so these are the 4 points, 1 comma 0. So this point always lie on the graph. So as I showed here. So next one, observe here the properties of logarithmic function. The properties of logarithmic function. So you have to note down this. You must note down this formulae. So in previous days or in high school or primary days, you never learned this one. You have to practice and you have to remember this. So these formulae are reduce the biggest expressions into simple form. So therefore, you must practice. You must note in the you must write in the notebook and practice and memorize. So daily you have to memorize this. Log mn, observe here, product is there, product to sum, log mn can be written as log m plus log n. So in the similar way, log p q. This equal to log p plus log q. So only there are two numbers, two variables are considered here. Even you can write so more than two also. So the same function log p q r. So this can be written as log p plus log q plus log r, or more than this, if you consider log p q r s t like that, this equal to log p plus log q plus log r plus log s plus log t. Yes, you can consider even n terms here, log a1 into a2 into a3 dash 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 an. So this equal to log a1 plus log a2 plus log a3 plus dash 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 log an. So naturally, so in generally, so in all these cases I have not written the base here. So all those things are not necessary here. So actually, so in this present context, you have to remember this one, this much. Yes, log a1. So the product is converted into sum, and remember that while taking the log, so observe here, log m plus n not equal to log m plus log n. Here observe, compare this to the formula which discussed now here. So if it is a product, then only you can write like this. If it is plus or minus, so you know you should not write like this log m plus log n. So generally common errors are happened here. So you must take care, or you must be very much careful about this type of functions. Yes, log mn, log xy, this equal to log x plus log y. Similarly, you can generate other functions also. Yes, next one. So here log quotient is here. Quotient is converted into difference. Yes, log m by n equal to log m minus log n. Log m upon n, log m minus log n. So observe log p by q. Similarly, log p minus log q. So right here log p q divided by, sorry, for time being I will write here c upon d, log c minus log d. Yes, log c upon a equal to d equal to log c minus log d. Similarly, so I will mix the previous and this one, product and so this quotient here. So consider log of mn upon p. So this is equal to, here it is numerator. So first it is quotient, apply the quotient rule, log mn minus log p. Quotient rule is applied here. So that is m upon n. M upon n is, so mn minus p. So again observe here, it is product here. So therefore log m plus log n minus log p. Log m plus log n minus log p. Consider this one. Log p q R divided by ST. So directly we can write here. So the numerator takes minus sign and product parts takes positive signs. That is, so P, Q, R are the positive, numerator. Therefore, we have to write log P plus log Q plus log R. ST comes under denominator. Therefore, they are minus sign. So directly we can write like this: log P plus log Q plus log R, log M N P. So like that. So all are product. So therefore write the convert this into sum of the logarithms. Similarly, S and T are in the denominator. So therefore log S minus log T. So therefore these two gets minus sign here. Yes. So similarly try this. Log A B C divided by D M. Similarly try this one also. Log P Q R divided by A B C. Yes. So next one. Log M raised to n is equal to n log m. So here, so base is not here. So the exponent of, so that is nth power of n, nth power of m. So therefore m raised to n. So this can be, so bring this to the product as n log m. Multiply n with the log. So observe log a raised to b. So this equal to, bring this b or multiply b with this one, b log a, log x raised to y. This equal to y log x, log a raised to 5. This equal to 5 log a, log a raised to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 log a. Similarly, log root a. So this implies log a raised to 1 by 2. So this implies according to this rule. So 1 by 2 log a. Again consider, I will mix the previous also here, previous properties. Log of P Q raised to 1 by 2. So this equal to, according to this rule, 1 by 2 log PQ. Again apply here product rule. Therefore 1 by 2 log of P plus log of Q. And so never forget, put this 1 by 2 is common for entire log. Therefore put bracket here. Similarly, log x minus 2 divided by x plus 1. So this root. So therefore this equal to log of x minus 2 by x plus 1, this raised to 1 by 2. So this equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 2 by x plus 1. So again apply the quotient rule here. Log of x minus 2 divided by log of x, x plus 1 becomes minus log of x plus 1. Yes. So now log a to the base b, log a to the base b, this equal to log A upon log B. So change of base. So this rule is known as the change of base. So that is, if we write log of p to the base q, this equal to log p divided by log q, log p by log q. Or similarly, log x to the base y equal to log x divided by log y, log x divided by log y. In that sense, we have to use. So that is, we are converting this a to the base b, we are converting this log as common base. So here both bases are same. So that is log to the base e. Napier base conversion is there. So at present you should not worry about this one. Just you have to remember the formula that I have given here. So in nutshell, I will explain all those things once again. Log mn. So log of PQR. So write yourself here. Log m by n. Log PQR by s, comma. Log m n p by qr. So write this in this sense. Similarly, log m raised to n, so that is express, so I will write this some expressions here. Log of root of x minus a into x minus b divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1. So better I express this using this property, expand or simplify these logarithms. And so this is change of base. Similarly, I will write some examples here. Log m to the base n. This can be written as log m upon log n. So write yourself. Yes, today this much is sufficient. So this is all introduction, and you have to practice all these. You have to practice all these formula. All the formula. So this one. So write once, twice, thrice, or daily you have to practice. So if you know come to this, you come to understand, then only it is possible to solve the problem. So this topic is very important for you. So therefore you have to concentrate on this one. So further topics are depends on this topic. Therefore you must take care of this. Yes, thank you.